Before Islam, Arabia was a land of many gods. The Kaaba in Mecca, built by the Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail, was once a place of pure monotheism. But over time, idols filled its sacred grounds, 360 of them, each representing different deities. The Arabs believed in Allah, but they also believed he had partners, false gods made of stone and wood. Yet, not all had abandoned the worship of one true God. Small Jewish and Christian communities existed in Arabia, keeping the monotheistic flame alive. Some Arabs, known as the Hanifs, rejected idol worship and searched for the original faith of Ibrahim. They were few, but their hearts longed for a return to truth. Beyond Arabia, two mighty empires ruled, the Romans in the west and the Persians in the east. These two giants had been locked in battle for centuries, draining each other's strength. Meanwhile, their Arab allies, the Ghassanids and Lakhmids, served as their pawns, fighting wars that weren't their own. But amidst this chaos, Arabia remained untouched, waiting for its moment. Though Arabia was isolated, it was never disconnected. Mecca and Medina sat on trade routes that brought goods from India, Africa, and Byzantium. Spices, silk, and gold passed through its markets, along with ideas and beliefs. But even with this wealth, Mecca's heart remained empty, longing for something greater. The year was 570 CE, a year known as the Year of the Elephant. A child was about to be born in this very city of Mecca. He would not be a king, nor a warrior, nor a poet. Yet his words would shake the world, his message would outlive empires, and his mission would begin where no one expected, in the deserts of Arabia.